In the early light of dawn, when the warmth of your bed entices you to stay, Marcus Aurelius offers timeless advice for embracing the day ahead. He reminds us that, as human beings, we are born with a purpose, a day to fulfill. So, when the struggle to rise overwhelms you, ask yourself, am I here merely to seek comfort, or am I here to fulfill my destiny? Consider the plants, the birds, the ants, and the bees, each diligently tending to their task, contributing to the harmony of the world. Are we not obligated as humans to do the same? Yet, too often, we prioritize comfort over action, succumbing to allure of idleness. But remember, just as nature sets limit on eating and drinking, it also sets limits on rest. We must honor these boundaries and recognize that excessive indulgence in comfort only detracts from our true purpose. Reflect on those who are truly passionate about their work, the engraver who loses track of time while perfecting their craft, the dancer who sacrifices sleep to rehearse their routine. Their dedication to their artistry serves as a testament to the value of pursuing one's calling with unwavering commitment. So ask yourself, do you hold your own nature in such high regard? Are you willing to invest the same level of dedication in fulfilling your purpose? Indeed, the pursuit of self love extends beyond mere comfort. It encompasses a deep reverence of our inherent nature and the responsibility it entails. When we prioritize the fulfillment of our duties, we honor not only ourselves but also the interconnected web of humanity. As Marcus Aurelius implores us to embrace the challenges of each new day, let us heed his wisdom and rise to meet our responsibilities with unwavering resolve. Let us cast aside the lure of comfort and instead embrace the fulfillment that comes from fulfilling our purpose. And in doing so, may we find true satisfaction and meaning in the journey of life. So, as you navigate the challenges and opportunities that each day presents, remember the words of Marcus Aurelius. Do not be afraid of change. Embrace it as natural part of life's ebb and flow. For it is through adaptation that we find strength and resilience. Embrace each new day with a new spirit of openness and determination, knowing that with each challenge overcome, you grow stronger and more resilient. In conclusion, let us strive to embody the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius in our daily lives, embracing each new day with a sense of purpose and determination. And may we find solace in the knowledge that by fulfilling our responsibilities, we honor not only ourselves but also the interconnected web of humanity.